Hello students and welcome back. In this video I wanted to just quickly go over where you can find some resources for this free course on learning Python fundamentals. Our first section here just is simply going to be like an introduction and installation, and then here we go over some of our fundamental basic concepts, and then we move on to 4 challenge problems, which are kind of like the heart of this free course. For each challenge problem, you have a quick video that demonstrates the program that I'd like you to create, and then you have a solution video. Accompanying the program demonstration is a resources folder in which there is a challenge guide and completed code for the challenge. Now this is structured for sort of like 3 tiers of learning. The first tier would be watch the program demonstration, and then if we look at the guide, and I'll download this, they're a PDF. The guide will give you a description of the program that you're trying to create and some example output. And so this is like our first tier. Using the description and the example output, can you come up with the thought process all on your own and write the program? The second level would be to use this step-by-step guide, which sort of walks you along the thought process, but without explicitly telling you how to do it. So print a welcome message, get user input for the first leg of a right triangle, get the input for the second leg of a right triangle, calculate the hypotenuse of the right triangle using a Pythagorean theorem. So it sort of, assists you in completing the program, but doesn't do it for you. The third and final way would be to, let's come back here, download the complete code. Let's see, we were doing the right triangle solver. So we'll download the completed code right here. And you can use the fully completed code with the solution video to effectively complete the challenge. So 3 tiers of learning and you can use whatever suits you best for the level that you're currently at. So for each of these 4 problems, please make sure that you get those guides and the code that accompanying each of the problems. All right, I can't wait to see you in our next video.